This is a program for apprentices to bring them up to mechanics, or for mechanics who want to become a better craftsman.
Drill, pick it up, screw it right through.
It's an apprenticeship class. We do have several mechanics in here that's trying to further their knowledge too. It's very important to us, and we appreciate it because today is Saturday. We do this one Saturday a month. We've already put in a full 40-hour work week. Some of the guys worked on Friday and put in some overtime. We had these guys in here at 7 a.m. ready to go. Today we taught the proper way to cut in a takeoff, how to lay it out, how to cut it. We dovetailed a piece of pipe in today, cut in an S&D hole. Knowing the proper size for that's very important.
So three is 1/16.
We learned how to correctly connect the shoe taps and round taps. So we're learning how to make the best connection so that the air doesn't leak and it looks nicest, most professional. I love being able to make something with my hands and then stand back when I'm done and look at it and know that I've done a really good job.
We had a sheet printed out, just like you're looking at a mechanical drawing, and we gave them the chance to actually pull a duculator out and get up a duck order for that sheet they were looking at. Some of the guys have never seen a duculator before. It can be a little intimidating.
I'm gonna put on 1,000 CFMs.
We use the duculator tool to line up what the cubic feet per minute are going to be for that piece of duct. Then we take that measurement and write it down on the work order so that it is sent to the shop and they create the right pieces. The thing I can take away is that you need to have pride in your work and make sure everything is accurate to the best of your ability. And I wouldn't know how to do that without these guys teaching me.
I love a lot of things about my job. What I love the most is seeing younger guys come in with that great attitude and wanting to get in there and learn all these things. It's always fun interacting with them in class. We've already built good relationships and rapport with these guys, so they're always eager to learn and listen. It's always a good day in apprenticeship program.